thinking about making the leap from Shopify to Wix and unlocking a fresh new look for your online store? Let's break down the migration process, step by step. First, prepare your Shopify data. That means exporting key information like product details, customer lists, and order history. Generally, you'll export these as CSV files. In your Shopify admin, navigate to Apps, search for a data export application, install it, and follow its prompts. Next, get your Wix store ready for the new arrivals. Log into your Wix account, or create one if you're new to Wix, and create your store. Choose a Wix template that resonates with your brand's aesthetic. This is your chance to revamp your store's look and feel. Keep in mind considerations such as responsiveness and the user experience. Now, it's time to manually import your CSV data into Wix. Wix provides options to add products in bulk. Map the columns in your CSV to match the fields in Wix. This is where a little patience goes a long way in ensuring accuracy. Consider leveraging a Wix app from the Wix App Market to streamline the import process. Search for data import apps, compare reviews, and consider a paid option if it suits you. Once your data is in, meticulously review your product listings, test your payment gateways, and configure your shipping settings within Wix. Be aware that you might experience some short-term sales dips during this transition. Consider running promotions to draw visitors back to your revitalized online store.